Hello everyone and a very cool good morning to all of you. I am your maths teacher and today we will discuss the next exercise, that is 1C of the first chapter, number system. Now in this exercise there are many word problems and one by one we will see that how to solve the word problem. When you will solve the word problems, you have to give statements. Means by giving statements, you have to solve word problems. Now, start from the first question. First question is, the number of persons who visited the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi during last 2 consecutive years was this and this respectively. How many persons visited the shrine during these 2 years? Means it is given that there are many persons who have visited to the holy shrine temple during these 2 years. So first what we have to find the number of persons that visited to the holy temple during these 2 years. So first we have to give statement that in first year how many persons have visited. So in first year the number of persons have visited, that is 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 5, 0, 9. Means in the first year, the number of people is, or the persons is 1,37,89,509 people have visited to Holy Shrine Temple in the first year. Now, the number of persons in the second year, so the second year is 1, 2, 9, 7, 6, 4, 9, 8. Here, in first year, this number of people have visited. In second year, this number of people have visited. Now, we have to find the total number of persons have visited these 2 years. Now, where the question is find the total, and the total means sum. Means what we have to do? We have to add these 2 numbers, that is 1 crore something and in 1 crore something. So during these 2 years number of people are, what is, we have to add. So 9 8 what, 17 carry 1, 9 1, 10 carry 1, 6 4, 10 carry 1, 16 1, 16 1, then 7, and then 3 to 5 6, and so this number of people have visited the holy shrine temple during these 2 years. Here we have to find the total number, that's why we add these 2 numbers. So first we have to write the numbers 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 5, 0, 9, then plus 1, 2, 9, 7, 6, 4, 9, 8, and the answer is what? The first one 7, then 0, 0, 6, 6, then 7, 6, and then what? 2. This is the answer. Or you can find it by yourself only by adding. Now see the next question. Last year 3 sugar factories in a town produced this number of bags, this number of bags, this number of bags of sugar. Means in a town there are 3 sugar factories that produce many number of bags. Means the first sugar factory produced bags of sugar, once 10,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore. 2 crore 48 lakh 9,565. Then the second sugar factory 1 crore 87 lakh 38,576 bags. And the third sugar factory produced number of bags of sugar are, that is 95 lakh 64,568. Then the question is, how many bags were produced by all the three factories during the last year? Means in total the three sugar factories produced how many bags of sugar? Again the same question came. So in this question we have to add. By doing this you can solve up to question number 6 in the same way. Just we have to find the addition, or we have to find the total. Now question number 6 little bit different, so we will discuss this question. In this question, the sale receipt of a company during a year was 2 crore 9,56,480. Means the collection of a company in a first year this, and in next year it increased by 67,09,570. Now we have to find the total. Again the total means sum. The total means sum, or we have to add whatever it is given in a question. Now I have written just statements to less the time, or it takes less time. The sale receipt of a company in first year. So the first year the sale of a company is 2 crore 09 then 56480. Then in the next year it is increased. So for increasing we have to add this 2 number, or the money 6709570. Now in the first it is given, for first year it is given, but in the second year it is not given that the sale of a company is this. This is not the sale. This money is increased in the second year, so we have to add this money to the first year, this money to the first year. Now we will add 0 0 here, 0 7 8 means 15, carry 1 5 4 1 6 6 4 here 0, then carry 1 9 or 1 10 10 6 16, again carry 1 0 plus 1 1 plus 5, it is 6, no carry is there. Now the 7 and 9, it is 16, then carry 1 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 0 7, and then 2 means in second year the sale is this rupees. Now we have to find the total collection or the total sale of a company during these 2 years. Again the total, then we have to add this number to this number. Okay, now again we are writing the numbers 20956 then plus 2766050 and total this, and we have to add this one. So So you can do it yourself. I'm not doing this sum. Okay. Now, in the same way, you can do 8 number and what 9 number, 10 number. Okay. Now, again, we will start from question number 11. From question number 11. In question number 11, it is given that what number must be subtracted from this to get this number. Means, how was the number is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore, 10 lakh and 10,101 to get, that is 26 lakh 35,967. Means, what number should be subtracted from this 1 crore something number to get this number. Suppose I'm giving one more example by taking small numbers. Suppose we have suppose 27. We have 27. Now, which number should be subtract from this to get 20? This is the question. That what number should be subtracted from this number to get 20? To get 20. So, we have to find this required number. How we can find? So, we can find the required number by subtracting 20 from 27. 20 from 27. Now, in the same question, in this question, we have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So, I am writing here, that is 110, again 101 and then 01. It is 1 crore 10 lakh 10,101 and the second smaller number is, that is 2635 and 967. Then how we can find the required number? I have given this example, subtracting. By subtracting the smaller number from the larger number, we get the required number. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 110, then 10 and again 101 minus 263596 and then after subtracting the number you will get your answer. Okay, so 3 questions we have done. Now next 12 number, same answer. 30 number, same question. 40, same, up to 15. Either you have to subtract or either you have to add. But from yes, but from 16 number the question is different from all of the above questions. Means 1 to 15 there is only addition or subtraction, but from question number 16 it has changed. So from 16 we will see that. Now we will discuss from 16. Question number 16, it is given that the cost of a chair is 1,485. Means cost of one chair is 1,485 and we have to find the cost of 469 such chairs. So you can see I have written the statement that the cost of a chair is rupees 1,485 and then the cost of this such chairs are what we have to multiply. Now we are multiplying here. Okay. So 5 nines are 45, 4 5 8s are 72, 76, 7 9 2s are 36, 3 43, then 9 ones are 9 4 30, then 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 8 are 48, 1 carry 5, 6 4 are 24, then 29, 2, here 8, and then 4 5 are 20, again carry 2, 4 8 are 32, 4 carry 3, 4 4 are 16, carry 3, 19, carry 1, 4 4 are 4 1s are 4, and then here 5. Now the answer is 5, 6, 4, 16, then 1, 10, 19, and here means the cost of this 6, 9, 6, 4, 6, 5 rupees. Now in the same way you can find the answer, you can solve question number 17 and question number 18. Now I am discussing question number 19. And the question is, Mr. Bhaskar saves 8,756 rupees every month. Means Mr. Bhaskar saves some money in 1 month. And then how much money will he save in 13 years? Means he is saving 8,000 something rupees in 1 month, but during 13 years, how much money will he save? We have to find this money. So first, you know, in 1 year equals to 12 what? Months, and in 13 years equals to how many months? So 12 into 13, that is 156 months. Means in 156 months, how much money Mr. Bhaskar can save? Now again the statement was first, Mr. Bhaskar saves money in 1 month equals to, in 1 month Bhaskar is saving 8,000 rupees, 8,756, and then Mr. Bhaskar saves money in how many months? In 156 months. Now we have to add S. Months equals to again 8,756 multiplied by 156. And what the product you will find, that is your answer. Okay. Now next question we will discuss that scooter, same question, 21, same question, then yes, 22. Question number 22 is different. The question number 22 is telling that the product of two numbers is 13421408. Means 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Means the product of two number is 1 crore 34 lakh 21,408. And if one of the numbers is 364, then find the other. Means one product is given and one number is given. Now question number 22. The product of two numbers is how much? 1 crore 34 lakh 21,000. 1 crore 34 lakh 21,000 and 408. So this is the product of how many numbers? Two numbers. And listen, one number is given. One number between two numbers, one number is 364. 364. Then we have to find the other number. Now the other number is number equals to, how we can find? We have to divide this number by this number. So 13421,408 divided by 364. You can see that this is the product of two numbers. This is the product of two numbers and one number is given. Whenever you will see this condition and then we have to find the other number, always remember this thing, that you have to divide this. You have to divide this. In this question, you will have to divide. Okay? After this, we are completing, and then in our next video, we will see from question number 23. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.